Hey everybody! In this video, we'll be explaining one of the greatest innovations of human history, the rocket. So anyway, my name is Mr. Python, welcome to the class, and today we'll learn about how these inventions function and how much they impact our daily lives. For some context, this is a rocket. But this is also a rocket. Then what is the definition of these things? Well, a rocket is a spacecraft, or projectile, which propels at high speeds towards space or a destination on Earth, either carrying research equipment, cargo, technological warfare, a satellite, or a person. The rocket's design and mechanics vary on each cargo. But how do these rockets achieve such speed to launch into the atmosphere? Well, my dear student, I'm a little rusty on this, but a colleague of mine knows much more about it. Introducing Mr. Harvard, the dolphin, a physics genius.
Oh, thank you very much for appreciating me. I'm happy to help to understand this confusing topic. How the rocket does such a trajectory is by utilizing Newton's third law. Every action has an opposite equal reaction. Rockets normally have a propulsion system, which exerts massive amounts of powerful mass out of its rocket engines towards the ground very quickly, so that the thrust may push the rocket upwards. The rocket must also pass through the layers of Earth's atmosphere, which get thicker nearer to the planet's surface, so the rocket must go at astonishing speeds to break through each layer with ease. That is why most rockets are created to be streamlined or smooth, so that they can deal with drag.
That is a very good input, Mr. Harvard. But how do these rocket engines work?
Good question. I'd like to explain an example.
In the body of a rocket, there are two tanks above the main engine. One with a fuel, either liquid or solid, and the other with an oxidizer, which are burnt and mixed together in the rocket's combustion chamber. When mixed, it will cause them to explode large amounts of hot gas through the nozzle underneath, which blasts the mass out of the bottom of the rocket. The nozzle is usually designed to increase stress on the mass at the beginning and let it out quickly later. This causes it to have an increased velocity and reduces fuel wastage. Thank you so much for your help, Mr. Harvard. This topic would have been super complex for me to explain.
Always here to help, a good friend. And if you enjoyed this video,
Harvard, I'm supposed to say that?
Sorry.
And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing. It would really help the channel, and it's free. But anyway, my name is Mr. Python. Have a good day.